Hello guys, welcome to Pacivern. In this video, I am going to show you how you can rank your video on the first page of Google. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today, I am making this video. I have only 3 subscribers. Please subscribe the channel. It's free and it's helpful for me. Thank you so much. Let's begin the main tutorial. At first, you have to find a niche on which topic you want to make the video. Such as you want to make the video on the topic of how to learn programming. In the next step, you have to install a Chrome extension on your browser and its name is Keyword Everywhere. Just search Keyword Everywhere and go to the first link on chrome.google.com and add this extension on your browser. After adding this extension, just search your keyword here. In my case, the keyword is how to learn programming. So search it and in the right side there are many suggestions of keyword. In the next step, go to Keyword Planner. Just search. Just write in the URL tab ads.google.com and sign in. After signing in, go to Tools and Setting and go to Keyword Planner. Click on Discover New Keywords and then select your desired country here, such as my desired country is USA. Australia and Canada. You can target here as many as you want and then after targeting, click Save. Then here input your keyword and click on Get Result. Click on Add Filter. Then click on Average Monthly Searches. And from here select less than or equal 1000 and apply. Here you can see the monthly average searches. Just click here to get it from higher to lower. So these are the keyword that has search volume of 1000 to 0. That is, the search volume of these keywords are 0 to 1000. So these keywords are so juicy keyword, you can rank with this keyword very easily. But let me show one thing again, that in the competition column there are some competition metrics. They are medium, high and low. Do not take any keyword of high competition. Take the keywords of medium and low competition. So to do this, you have to add another filter. Just click here, add filter and click competition. Select low and medium. Apply. Now I need more low competition keyword than medium competition keyword, because the strategy to rank on the first page of Google, in title, keyword search volume should be between 100 to 1000 and it should be medium competitive. But in tags, keyword search volume should be 1 to 100 and it should be low competitive. And I think you know that in the title you can input a few amount of keyword, but in tag you can input a plenty amount of keywords. So at first we will look up at the tags. So we have to take some keyword whose search volume are between 1 to 100 and they should be low competitive. Now how many tags you should take? You can take at least 6 to 8 keyword or more. So the tag should be 6 to 8 keyword and the number of characters should be between 500. So let's begin the keyword research for tags. Go to keyword planner and from average monthly searches, take the keywords who has search volume 1 to 100. So there are some good keywords such as how to learn Python step by step, but it's medium, so I should not take it. How to learn all programming languages, how to learn all programming languages in one day. It's low competitive, but I don't like this keyword at all, so I will not take this because you should not learn all thing of the world. If you learn all thing of the world, what will other people learn, right? Filter here the low competitive keywords. Now from here it should be 500. Now go to low competitive keywords. These are the low competitive keywords and its search volume is 30, 10. So we can take some keywords from here such as how to learn computer language at home. You can take this because its search volume is 10 and it is low competitive. So just select it here. How to practice C programming in laptop, 10 and low. So you can take this. How to study C programming, 10 and low. Just take little bit more than 10 such as how to learn C sharp Reddit, take it, it's 30 and low. How to learn Java Reddit. How to learn MATLAB Reddit. How to learn C++ Reddit. Don't take more such as this all keywords has Reddit. So I will go to another section. How to learn data structure and algorithm Reddit. Take it. You can take it. How to learn assembly. This is 50 and low. You can take it. How to code a neural network in Python. You can take it. We already selected 8 keyword. I should select some another. How to learn programming Reddit. It's 70 and low. How to learn a new programming language. It's 70 and low. Take it. How to learn assembly language. It's 110 and it's low. You can take it. How I learned Python. Take it. So in such a way, I have taken already 12 keyword. I think it's enough. So from upper right corner, just click here copy. Go to the doc and paste the keywords here. I think these keywords are good. For title, we have to take some keyword whose search volumes are between 100 to 1000 and they should be medium competitive. So just go and from average monthly searches take 1000 in up and competition should be medium. You can avoid the low competition from the filter here and just cross it and add new filter. Competition only, select only medium apply. From here, take at least 2 keywords such as how to learn Python for free. It's 1000 search volume and its competition is medium, so I'm taking it. Then how to learn coding online for free. It's medium and 880. It's good, I think, so I'm taking it. Just take 2 medium search volume keyword from here so that the total number of characters are between 1 to 100. So I'm copying the keywords and pasting in the doc. Now in the next step, make a title with this 2 keyword. So what should you do? Just capitalize the first word and then I think it's a good title. And at last I will give my channel name. It's very important to mention your channel name in every title. It will help your channel to rank. Now in the description, you should try to push these keywords naturally. You should write the description in such a way that you can push these keywords on the description, but it should be naturally, such as I'm trying to write a description. In this way, you should push your keywords in your description. You do not have to push all the keywords. You should try as much as keyword you can push in your description, but it's not mandatory that you have to push all the keywords because we have another section in YouTube video to add our tags. We can also use our researched tags on this tag section. Then go to your YouTube studio and upload the video such as select your video and then copy and paste your titles and description here. I'm copying the title and pasting it. Then paste the exact title at the beginning of the description. And then copy the description and paste the description here. You can use here some dots to make viewers' eye comfortable. It's not necessary. You can use. Then you can again use it to make your description more readable. And give here some tag such as do not give here more than 3 tags. There should be 3 tags or less. Then you can give here some dots. I'm mentioning again that giving dots is not mandatory. So you can do as you want. After that, you can give here some affiliate link. If you want to do it, you can do it, but I do not want to give affiliate link right now. But you should write your description in this way, and then add thumbnail section, and then add show more section. There are options to set up tag. Now you should copy your keywords one by one from here and paste them here. After setting up your tags, select your video language from here. Select your recording dates. Guys, these options are very important. Someone miss these options, they do not give importance on these steps, but these steps are very important. You should not avoid these steps. After that, select your playlist, select a good thumbnail, and go to next. Add subtitle. You can watch my this video how you can add subtitle on your YouTube video for free. You should add in the screen. And you should add a card. You can watch my this video what is the best practice to add cards of YouTube. And after adding the subtitles in the screen and cards, go to next and check your copyright claims, and next, and publish your video. I think this video is helpful, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I'm requesting again. At the time I'm making this video, I have only 3 subscribers. I think please subscribe my channel and help me. It's free but helpful for me. So as a human, we should help each other. Please help me and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and hit a like button if you like the video. Thank you so much. You can comment your feedback in the comment section. I will take any friendly comment cordially. Thank you so much again. Thank you.